we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, and some of the most mispronounced ones too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? Well, there are two different pronunciations for it. In British English, this is said as Basil, Basil, so an emphasis on that first syllable and a ba sound. In American English, however, it is usually said as Basil, Basil in American English versus Basil in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words in English whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.